Choose your cultivar and your rootstock. In order for your budding to be successful, you must cut a sane, small piece for grafting from a healthy, disease-free cultivar origin tree, as well as a suitable growing tree rootstock. A rootstock in this case is an established tree that the sane can be spliced into. For debating, the bark of both trees must be slipping. This means the bark is easily peeled off, and the green layer underneath is moist, which usually occurs in the spring. For irrigating them well, to help them along. Had a sin for debating. You must cut into the branch 1 inch sin below the bud, 0 inch sin beyond the bud. Make the cut as deep as needed to include the soft green layer beneath the bar, but not any deeper. This green material must be exposed on your sane for a successful graft. If you must store your sane bud, wrap it in a damp paper towel, place it in a polyethylene bag, and store it in a refrigerator tour. Make it cut on your rootstock. Choose a space on a branch or sapling that is 0 inch. Sim 2 inch sim in diameter. The space must be free of any buds. Ideally far from any buds. Make a vertical slice in the bark about inch. Some long and deep enough to expose that green layer. Make a horizontal slice of the same depth. That is about 1/3 the distance around the rootstock. Twist the knife in the juncture of the slices to creep flaps of the bar, making the green layer visible. Introduce the sand. Slip the sand containing the bud under the flaps you've just created on the roots. Stop taking care not to introduce any dirt or germs. If part of the sane spark sticks out above it, cut. Slice it off so that everything fits together snugly. Hide the sand to the rootstock. Wrap a stretchy rubber material, such as grafting rubber, around the rootstock to hold the sand in place. Be careful not to joss or cover the bud. Remove the tie. In about a month, the rubber you wrapped around the root stock may loosen and fall off. If it doesn't, gently remove it yourself, so that the area will not be constricted. Follow up on your bud. If the bud looks plump and healthy, it is probably alive. If it looks shriveled, then it has died and you'll have to start again. Remove other material the next spring. Once the bud has begun to sprout leaves, make a slope. Cut an inch sim above the successful bud. Remove all other side shoots below the bud. This will promote growth of the graft above, since it will be the only thing being nourished by the rootstock.